I know, I know, I know. Not another darn Zoom conference.
Hey, wait. This one's different though, Rochelle. Come on, it's Ren.
Oh, Ren, we're having an event. That's right. So what's different about our Ren event? Because I know it's October, it's coming up in October. So October 10th and 11th. Yep.
Yes. And okay, so really it's Ren. So we pack a whole lot of content, a whole lot of fun, and some great speakers and incredible networking all into one event. So it's not your typical Zoom call.
I love it. So the other thing, aren't we doing a bonus day or bonus event on Friday? Aren't we having some like we're talking about like, I don't know, like some like female sexual thing or something? Was I supposed to say that?
Because only Ren can incorporate sex with a real estate meeting. But yes, it's going to be a whole lot of fun. And yeah. You know, no one wants to sit in front of this computer any less than I do, but it is going to be worth it, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so we have real estate combined with sex talk. And stretching, yoga, I don't know, breathing.
And we have some like dance class. We have some dance class.
Like dancing going on. I mean, okay, how can it get any more fun than that? And you get to do it in front of your own home or in your own home, wearing whatever you want.
A PJ party. We have a PJ party coming up.
Yeah. So yes. How can you not be there? Come on.
I know, right? Come on, join us, everybody. We're being silly, but again, really, I mean, it's really about a lot of fun. So come on and join us again, October, 10th and 11th. I'm like, it's like, wait, I was like stuck on this sex thing on the 9th. I don't know, that's where I was anyway.
That's all you hear, right?
I know, wait a second. So come join us. Again, Ren Inspires, you know, again, sign up, get prepared, get your profile uploaded on Hoopla. We've talked about that.
See us.
Come on and see us. So looking forward to seeing everybody. Love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.